This is Carrie from Escape. We're going to take you on a tour of our Jeep camper. Our Jeep campers can be rented from our Los Angeles, Las Vegas, and San Francisco offices. This is our Jeep Cameroon, which we're going to begin with by showing you where some of your important documents are located. In the glove box, you will find your registration and insurance forms, as well as a tire pressure gauge if needed. Hopefully you won't need it, but also included in here is an accident declaration form. Located in the back seat of the Jeep, you will find the ladder storage location for accessing the Rooftop Sleeper. As you can see, it fits nicely in between the back seats, as well as a place to store your luggage. Let's go around to the back. All right, so here we are at the back of the Jeep. Simple handle opens the back. Once you have this up, go ahead and raise your glass. And now you can see where our kitchen setup is. As you can see, we have a Dometic Cooler in here to store your perishable goods. All right, on the right-hand side, you'll find a power button. In order to operate the Dometic Cooler, hold the power button for about 2 seconds, and then press set. Make sure that the temperature is set to 37 degrees. Press set 2 more times and ensure that the cooler is set to low. This will ensure a long-lasting cooler for your camping experience. The Dometic Cooler runs from the main Jeep battery, but it will turn itself off, allowing your Jeep to always start. Located on the left, you'll find this yellow lever. In order to pull it out, pull on this yellow lever, extend all the way out into a locking position. In order to operate, raise the spigot and activate the pump on the back side. So when you're done with the pump, simply lower the spigot. To refill, unscrew the cap and fill with fresh water. There is a 3-gallon capacity for the freshwater tank as well as for the gray water tank. After refilling, simply screw the screw back in, and if your sink is getting full, pull the drain plug. If your gray water tank is getting full, simply lower the level, but watch your feet, water's gonna come out. Make sure to lower your spigot before pushing the water tank back into the vehicle. When you are done, simply push and close back in, and it will relock. Behind your Dometic Cooler, you'll find where we keep the camping stove. We folded the seats down so that you can see where the stove is located. Lift the top of the box, and inside you will find a 2-burner camping stove. Once you've got the stove out, simply turn this lever in order to lower the cooking rack. Place your stove on the rack, and now you're ready to cook. When you're done cooking, simply place the stove back into the compartment. Place your lid back on top. And your kitchen items, if rented, can be stored right here. If you have rented our electric kit comes with an extension cord, a power adapter, a power strip, and a nice small space heater. With the extension cord, once you plug the power into the external source, simply bring the cord through the back doors of the van, and you can close the doors right over the cord, as all of our vans have a rubber seal that will not damage the cord. In order to run the space heater, make sure to set it on the stainless steel counter, as there is a safety kill switch underneath that prevents the heater from continuing to work if it were to fall over. If nothing is located in the back seat, you can also lower the seats for easy access. I'll pop around and show you how to do that. There is a lever located right by the headrest. Now you can easily access items from the back like the stove. To raise, simply lift and lift, and you're ready to travel again. In case you get a flat tire and need to use the spare, lower the seat, and you will find located in here your jack and lug nut tools to release the tire and change a flat. In order to release your spare tire, located in your glove box, you will find the unlocking tools. place the hex wrench into the unlocking mechanism, attach the tool, and rotate to the unlocked position. And when you're ready to close the entire back, make sure that you lower the glass first and then close the tailgate. In order to refill the gasoline, open the door, unscrew the cap, make sure to fill with unleaded gasoline. Let's talk about how to access the Rooftop Sleeper. You'll notice a latch on this side as well as on the opposite side. Simply pop the latch down, make sure the clip clears, and raise the Rooftop Sleeper. If you have trouble reaching the latch, you can place a foot on the bumper, a hand on the rail, and get easier access. Now you can lower the latch, clear the clip, and push to open. After accessing your ladder from the bag, simply extend, and you'll notice two clips, attaching the clips into place. And a trick is to get a good angle on the ladder so you have a nice sturdy platform to climb up. In order to remove, lift it up out of the clips and lower the ladder and place back in your bag. Now to close the Rooftop Sleeper, you will see we have a handle on the back of this. Again, you can always step up on the bumper a little bit and hold on to get access to it. Once you have this, simply lower. After lowering the Rooftop Sleeper down, take a quick walk around, ensure that the fabric is tucked in on all sides. And then before attaching your latch, grab your strap and tuck it back up into the Rooftop Sleeper. Now that it's all put away, you can lower. Make sure the clip goes under and the latch goes up. Finally, attach the last clip on the other side and lock into place. Pro tip, don't forget your ladder at the campground. Make sure to put it back in the rear seat of the Jeep. All right, let's take a look at the front seat, and I'm going to show you some of the controls to make you drive more comfortable. Some of the controls that you'll find handy in the Jeep are your stereo, your temperature controls, your USB chargers, and your window controls, as well as a 12-volt port. Located here, you will find your four-wheel drive control, your gear shifter, and your emergency brake. All right, in order to start your Jeep, place your foot on the brake pedal and push the start button. In order to turn it off, remove your foot from the brake and press the button. All right, and now we're off to enjoy our camping trip.